I think both my children are exactly like me. They look like me. I mean, everything is about me. I'm the mother. But again, you have to have faith that you have brought them up well.
Yes.
और उतना भरोसा खुद पे होना चाहिए कि आपने सही किया है, आपने सही सिखाया है. और you know, baby, we have a lot. Touch wood, God has given us a lot, you know. So we are very, very grateful for everything that we are given. But yes, they come with pros and cons, and we have to learn to deal with them.
At the same time, when you were a parent for the second time, were you an easier mother?
I was an easier
So
mother.
बेचारी निशा को
नो मैंने हाथ सफाई कर ली ना पहले बच्चे पे, तो हाथ सफाई करने के बाद तो दूसरा मतलब इजी पता है ना कि सब कुछ है हाथ में. यू नो विच मेडिसिन टू गिव, यू नो बुखार इतना होना चाहिए, यू नो गिरेगा तो he'll be fine. you know that it's not earth shattering agar
The actor says that the earth shattering means something very shocking or astonished, some situation, some condition which is very shocking or astonished. In that case you can use this phrase earth shattering. इसका मतलब होता है बहुत चौंकाने वाला और कोई बहुत महत्वपूर्ण घटना.
थोड़ा सा खून निकल गया तो हाँ बाकी के 4.5 लीटर है बॉडी में तो कुछ नहीं होगा उसको, you know. So all of that, and I think that when you are easier also, they grow up easier also, in the sense कि उनको भी इतनी टेंशन नहीं रहती है कि you know it's okay, mom believes in me, everything is fine.
Yeah. Who's closer to you in terms of personality, Nisa or you?
I would like to believe in who is like me more. I think Yogi is like me more. But I think Nisa is also like me more.
In what way?
So I think both my children are exactly like me. They look like me. I mean, everything is about me. I'm the mother.
No, Yug looks a lot like...
Shut up and get up and go away from here. Don't finish that sentence.
Okay. But in what ways are they similar to you? Like in personality types, if you say.
I think Nisa has a lot of my mannerisms.
The actor says mannerism. Mannerism means the habitual way of some person, the way of walking, the way of speaking, or the way of behavior with someone, the way of talking with someone. That is called mannerism. किसी व्यक्ति का व्यवहार, बात करने की कला और बोलचाल का तरीका, उसको बोलते हैं मैनरिज्म.
Nisa talks like me. We both have a very same sense of humor. We have the same sense of humor. Nisa and me find the same things funny. Yug looks at me sometimes when I crack my jokes. Looks at me, he's like, that's really not funny, mom. That's like, I just want to tell you that's really not funny. I'm feeling bad that I'm saying this to you, but it's not funny. You're not funny. So, yeah. So Nisa and me find some things that are like hysterical.
The actor says hysterical. Hysterical means very funny, very enjoyable, and very entertaining. So the situation which is something very funny or very enjoyable, that for that situation we can use the word hysterical, जिसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं बहुत मज़ेदार वाक्या, बहुत हंसाने वाली चीज़.
Nisa and we will sit and we will crack and we will discuss the whole पूरी दुनिया की मतलब कथा सुन के डिस्कस करके एनालाइज करके हंस के मार के हम सब कुछ कर लेंगे. But so yeah, Nisa is a lot like me in that sense, but Yug is a lot like me in probably temperament.
Temperament means the natural character or inbuilt character of some person or his behavior, his mood. किसी व्यक्ति का स्वभाव, किसी व्यक्ति के विचार, जिसको बोलते हैं टेम्परामेंट.
Temperament of his is more like me. He's a happy child, you know, like he wakes up with a smile on his face.
They say that mothers have to be the bravest because after a point they have to let their children go and live their own dreams, right? Yeah. You actually had a boarding school history, like you said, but when Nisa was supposed to go out of the country, how difficult was it for you to deal with it, or were you an easy mother there?
No, it was very difficult. It was very difficult. Of course, it's very difficult. Whenever you have to let your, your very beloved person go away from you and have to, kind of let her do her own thing and not worry about whether she's eating enough or whether she's sleeping enough or whether she's done her homework or not. It's difficult to let go. But again, you have to have faith that you have brought them up well. और उतना भरोसा खुद पे होना चाहिए कि आपने सही किया है, आपने सही सिखाया है, और जो भी करेगी अपने हिसाब से करेगी, सोच समझ के करेगी, और अपने खुद के लिए सोचना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. और होपफुली मैं एक अच्छी माँ थी जिसने अपने बच्चों को खुद के लिए सोचना सिखाया.
Absolutely. You know, but as a mother, you have been very carefree about whatever is said or written about you. But when things are written about kids, especially when they are, अब तो निशा थोड़ी सी बड़ी हो गई है, things were written about her even when she was not even an adult. Does it bother you? Even with Yug, he's not an adult, but the social media glare can sometimes be really, really toxic. After you answer, I'll tell you something that happened.
Yes, of course. I think it's completely unfair. And honestly, I really think that, something should be done about that. I don't know what exactly, but something should be. There should be some rules and regulations, like there are abroad, about, underage children being either photographed or spoken about online.
And shamed, like literally shamed.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think that's something but again, that's something that's part of the spotlight. That's something that is today part of the spotlight. Yes.
The actor says spotlight. Spotlight means something, some situation which is given to be very attention, or very, it is a matter of discussion, or people like to see it. So जिसको बोलते हैं चर्चा का केंद्र, वो कहलाता है spotlight.
It may be unfair, but again, that's something that you have to talk through with your kids.
She says talk through. Talk through means to explain something to someone in a very detailed way, or in a step-by-step way, so that he or she can understand it in detail form or properly. किसी भी बात को विस्तार पूर्वक समझाना और स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझाने की प्रक्रिया को बोला जाता है talk through.
And I have had long discussions with them, sat them down, talked to them, talked through them, through it. And yes, it has affected them a lot. But it's also something that they will have to deal with. If not today, then as adults, they will have to deal with it. Just by virtue of the fact that they are our children. And that's what I keep telling them. I was like, baby, we have a lot. Touch wood, God has given us a lot, So we are very, very grateful for everything that we are given. But yes, they come with pros and cons, and we have to learn to deal with them. You have to learn to not pay attention to this. Grow up as you are meant to grow up.
Mend means to correct something. किसी चीज़ में सुधार करना, ठीक करने की प्रक्रिया को बोला जाता है mend. So जब बच्चे गलती करते हैं तो उनको किस तरह से ठीक किया जाता है और उनको सुधारा जाता है, that is the process, and that process is called mend.
And I think the only thing that you can do for your kids is make them understand in the privacy of your homes and the privacy of your four walls is that you love them unconditionally as they are.